Hey guys, I got this big tree here. I believe it's a white oak. Uh, Anyways, yesterday when I was cutting this tree, my saw started to get hot. So anyways, I went online and seen a bunch of tips and tricks, and I did some of them. One of them was I modded the muffler, and I broke the limiter caps off the carburetor so I could get a full adjustment on it. There's a couple other mods you can do that I never got to yet. But anyways, it made a huge night and day difference, so I just want to show a cut in this big log. It's 19 by 14 on that end. About 3/4 of the way through the log yesterday, the saw was getting hot, coming up on idle. Yes, now it's not hot. Lots of power. I only got a small bar. It's hard to get a good straight cut there. But yeah, night and day difference. Just adjusting the carb. There's just a little flap underneath that deflector that I cut off on the exhaust. They say there's a nozzle in the carb that you can replace, or you can block it off, and that's supposed to be night and day again. So probably gonna try that next. But definitely worth doing those two things. Free power. That's it. Huh? Yeah, guys, that's it. Like I say, it worked out really good. If you got it's a CS-590 Echo chainsaw. If you got one of them, that'll probably help you out, I'd say. Thanks for watching. See you later.